you look into the light. We're getting hail, we're getting hail. You've got hail. Holy shit. Oh my god. This
my god
is outrageous. Don't. Pea-sized hail? Hopefully it gets bigger. Oh my god. Stop talking. That is so funny. That's like, no. Turn that off. I'm getting like, oh my god, this is actually getting kind of big. Look at that, there are a few like small marble-sized hail.
put them in the freezer.
My my rain gauge is catching a lot of these right now. I think they're. I have a.
Scoop them up and put them
Whoa! One of them just hit the window right in front of me. Okay, now they're getting big. Now they're getting a nickel. They're starting to get really big.
Oh my god!
I would absolutely hate to be outside right now.
Oh my god! It's getting worse. Oh my god!
Hold on just a second. Hold on, Mom, just a second. Hold on, Mom, just a second.
You should send this picture out to the weather center.
I'm a train spotter. I'd like to report nickel-sized hail in Evanston, Illinois occurring right now. Yep. Alright, thank you. God, that is some enormous hail. This just isn't even funny anymore. This is just outrageous. My question is, why is it disappearing? Jesus Christ. There's just enormous piles of this. Oh my God. That is insane. And it's still getting bigger. Oh my God. This is just great. And it's the first time I got to report something this year. Hey, Mom. Hold on just a second. Just a second.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County until 11:15 p.m. At 10:51 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large destructive hail up to baseball size and destructive winds in excess of 70
baseball.
Locations impacted include Lincoln Park, Montrose Harbor, Chicago, Navy Pier, Mix Field, Rogers Park, and Lakeview. This storm has a history of producing 70 miles per hour winds and baseball-sized hail. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in Chicago.